Alright guys, so if you're getting this error saying could not read from the boot medium, please insert a bootable medium and reboot. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to fix this in VirtualBox. So first, just close your virtual machine if it's running, then go ahead and click on settings. After that, go to storage, and here you'll see something called controller SATA. Now look closely, you'll see two small plus icons. One is for adding an optical drive and the other one is for adding a hard disk. What we need to do is click on add hard disk. Once you click that, you'll get a new window. Now just click on add again, and this will open up the location where your virtual machine files are stored. Here you'll see a file with the extension BDI. This is your virtual hard disk. Just select that file and click open, then click choose. And that's it. You're basically reconnecting your virtual hard drive to the VM. Now click OK, start your virtual machine again and give it a few seconds to boot up. Alright, as you can see, after waiting for a couple of seconds, the issue is now completely fixed and the system is booting normally. So yeah, that's it guys, super simple fix. If this helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more quick and easy fixes like this. I'll see you in the next one.